Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to use Widgetsmith app on your iPhone. To know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So Widgetsmith is an app which is used to create custom widgets for your iPhone's home screen. It allows you to personalize your screen with widgets for things like calendar events, time, weather, photos and more, giving your device a very unique look. So this is a very interesting app and it has lots of features to explore. So to use this app you just need to make sure about few things. That is, first you just need to download your Widgetsmith app from your iPhone. If you have downloaded, you can simply open your app Widgetsmith, and now to create a widget, choose a widget size which are available, like it is available in large, medium, small. Widgets are available, and you can also tap and add a size of widget to create a new widget. And you can also customize the widgets, like tap the newly created widgets, choose the widget type, example time, date, custom text, photos, calendar, weather, health, many more. And you can also customize fonts, colors, backgrounds and borders. And after customizing all of your widgets, you can also save the widget. Like you just need to tap on the save option, which is usually available at the very top right of this page. And after saving the widgets, you can also add Widgetsmith to your home screen. Like go to your home screen and enter the edit mode. To go to the edit mode, you just need to long press anywhere of the screen until your apps get jiggled. See that this is how your apps will get jiggled. And after that, your option edit have been available here at the very top left of this page, and click on the edit option and you just need to scroll it down and select the Widgetsmith app and choose the widget size you have created and tap the add widget, and your widget will be available in your home screen. So that's how you can just assign your custom widget like very easily from your edit mode. And that's how you can just use the Widgetsmith app, because it has lots of features to explore and it is very amazing to the iPhone users to customize your home screen, to give your home screen a very unique look. And so if you want to add more widgets like weather, health or countdown, just repeat the steps and choose a different styles to save it and add on your home screen. That's how you can just use this app and enjoy. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.